for the dragon boat race. Oh, hi. Hello. Awesome. Are you guys preparing for the dragon boat race?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
1, 2, 3, yeah. One, two, three. One, two. Yeah, two. One.
Hello again everyone, welcome back to our beautiful channel. Today we're in the breathtaking city of Hangzhou, China for one of the most exhilarating and colorful events of the year, which is the Dragon Boat Festival. So if you want to see more, please stick around. Don't forget to share, like and comment, and continue watching with us. Our first stop is at this craft market. Here we have locals, or as they would say, the villagers from Xixi Lake mainly, are the ones selling these items. They are handmade, and so for the festival they came out in their numbers selling these beautiful items. After purchasing a few items, I went over to see another vendor to get some free crochet lessons, as well as purchasing two of her lovely bird-eating spider.
小鲨鱼吧，就是39。
买一个粉色的小鲨鱼。好，那我来付个钱。
这个是龙，
这是今天下雨过节。
How cute is this?
啥意思？40，不行，不行，你给我漂亮。
How to try? She helps me with the parts for the finger. So you have to wrap this around your little finger, then hold it down. Use your middle finger to hold it back, and then I wrap it around. I'm doing a simple plait or a simple twist.
Okay. Very good.
Ah.
Very good.
But it feels so funny because I'm not used to this. Ah, look at it.
Good.
Yeah, that is it. A plait.
Okay.
这样是31对。
She's really good.
我来付。好的呀，现在帮我。
你是你北京过来的吗？我听你
我有口音吗？
我感觉你
口音。
对呀，我是猜对了，因为我非常喜欢看那个德云社。
我是天津的。
对，这是滴滴的，这是有口音，对，会很接近。可以扫这儿。这边。
Dragon. Now we're heading over to get a glimpse of the dragon boat race, which is the main event for today. However, the Dragon Boat Festival is not just about the race. It's a celebration of culture, community, and delicious food. Main food would be the zongzi. Not sure if I'm calling it correctly. I can never get the name correct. But the zongzi is part of it. The zongzi is made of sticky rice stuffed with different kinds of meat. So it could be chicken, it could be pork, maybe vegetables, and then it's wrapped in bamboo leaf. So for those of you who are Jamaicans, if you know blue drags or dukunu, it looks similar to that. It doesn't taste like it, but because it's wrapped in leaf, it is the closest thing that I've seen to it. There it is. The tofu is another meal that I've seen highlighted at this market, as well as a flat bread that I will show you. This bread is baked in an oven, an outdoor oven, as you're looking at it, and it's kneaded just like a roti. It's roll pressed very flat, and then they add something in the middle. It could be chicken or pork. So for me, I have to first ask what type of meat is inside because I don't eat pork, and it's a street food.
面条烧饼是吧？有地方做面条了，吃面条了，吃面有地方做的里面。
面你在上面吃。
可以做的，空调有的。哎，里面有空调，馄饨水饺有的啊。
今年还加了一个这个呀，你好，陈奕晨肯定在。
哎，对对对对对对。
这次来的光影蛮好的。对呀、这次光影真的刚刚好的。
Not sure if you can see the dragon's head on the boat when they're passing by. You realize you don't hear any music. This is because right here is not fenced, so they're not gonna give any free performance. After they pass the area, they will start playing again. That's what you just hear. After watching the performance of the dragon boat race, I decided to hop on a boat to get a little tour of the lake. That you will see in another video. However, during my tour, I was told that the dragon boat race was originated from the Tang Dynasty since the 1900s. I think they said 1990s. Not sure how accurate the year is, but it started back then, and because it was so successful, they decided to continue this every year. So back then, they usually used this size boat to do the race. However, as you saw earlier in the video, the boats are way smaller. Now these boats are used for tour purposes or transportation purposes, because this lake is very large. It's within a park, and the park has around 4 main entrances. So I took the boat to travel to different entrances or different exits. After exiting the boat, we headed straight for the main street, or I would say the main market in the park. So there you have different vendors selling many different things, like miniature versions of the dragon boat. You have the silk store, you have museums. That I will show you in the next video. Please remember, guys, to like, share, comment. Please comment and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye bye.